Learning on the job or supporting your staff while learning is different to other ways of training. We've pulled together some tips and tricks for employers and staff to get the most out of on-the-job learning. Building good relationships is essential, as you can learn a lot by asking questions and being patient and respectful. As an employer, sharing your passion and experience and investing time up front to explain what you are doing and why will fast-track your staff to success. As a learner, you have a team around you to support you. Your whānau and community are your biggest champions. Get them involved in your learning to help find solutions and solve problems. Having a mentor who will share their time and expertise can make you progress more quickly, and they are there to help you succeed. As an employer, you may know someone who can support your staff member, or we can find a mentor through our extensive networks. Everyone learns differently. You might learn by doing, watching others, and talking through the steps, or looking at pictures or reading information on your own. Whichever way you like to learn, we can share plenty of tools. Don't be shy. Ask for help. And here are some ways to make your learning work. Break your coursework into small chunks. For example, if you are in an apprenticeship, do one assessment a month. Read the material first to see what's expected, then write a checklist of what is required. Talk with your manager to keep them up to date. Bring your books to work to review tasks with your manager or workmates during the day. Set up a quiet space for bookwork. Attend set classes for course-related information to grow your knowledge and speed up your progress. Ask your tutor questions during or after study groups and classes. They are there to help you understand and learn. Look online for more ideas to support your learning, like staying hydrated, what to eat, ways to exercise, or how to set up your workstation. It may seem hard to balance learning while working, but on-the-job training is an effective way to learn new skills you can apply every day. As an employer, it's important to create an environment that supports your staff member to learn and encourages them to find the right balance of work, study, and life. By passing on your knowledge and expertise and getting your staff member to take on a few tips and tricks, your staff member will grow and flourish.